Morning applicant, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I hope you're doing well too.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
My name is Chadora Capio Borlasa, 40 years old, a mother of 21 years old girl. I'm in the Philippines and I'm in the sixth in the family.
Do you have a working experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am, I have local experience here in the Philippines as a household helper for 11 years and 5 months.
Why do you intend to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to earn a better income for my family and to provide a stable future for my daughter.
How was your experience in your previous employer?
My experience with my previous employer was good. I learned a lot and maintained a respectful and professional um, relationship with them.
As domestic helper, what what are your main duties and responsibilities?
My duties include cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, cooking and preparing foods, and taking care of their 3 children.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am, I can cook a basic Filipino dishes, and I'm willing to learn Chinese or foreign dishes.
What are the appliances that you can operate?
I can operate a common household appliances like washing machine, rice cooker, vacuum cleaner, electric fan, or oven toaster.
How can you take good care of your young children or baby?
I take care of children and newborn baby by feed them on time, changing diapers, bathing them safely, preparing milk, and playing with them.
Will you pinch or hit them if they naughty?
No, ma'am, I will never hurt the children. I will handle them with patience and guide them gently.
Can you tell me possible reasons why the baby cries?
A baby may cry because they are hungry or maybe uncomfortable or want attention.
If your employer child or baby is not feeling well, what will you do?
I will inform the parent or my employer immediately. Follow their instruction, monitor the child, and make sure the baby is comfortable.
How can you manage the household chores and the baby?
I will prioritize the baby's safety and their needs first. I will manage the time properly, do chores while the baby is sleeping or settled, and keep daily routine to stay organized.
How can you handle homesickness?
I will focus on my work and keep myself busy. Think about my goals and prayer is the most.
What is your final message to your prospective employer?
Ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I promise to do my best and follow your instruction with respect your family and work honestly and work responsibly. I am willing to learn and adjust to your household.
O-
Thank you.
Okay, that's all. Good luck.